Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTIE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.60, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to actually stay above $2.60, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout point, and that sits right around $2.20. So 260, 222 are the nearer term levels. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader, time horizon on things. But that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I get it. This line's way down here and the price is way up there. But as the name implies, this is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 260, that would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as the sellers, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up there at the round number of 3. So $3 public enemy number 1 going forward. And, that'll be the key level to fight through. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great move today. And as far as I'm concerned, top priority, not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about now going through healthy consolidations and starting to build higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So great move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.